Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm excited to announce a new addition to the VF Engineering suspension lineup, our variable height springs. These variable height springs are designed to give a more aggressive stance and seamlessly integrate into the vehicle's electronics and dampening systems such as the nose lift. Our supercharger systems showed through track testing and aggressive street testing with our professional driver the opportunity to push the chassis and the suspension harder. So we partnered with Moton to create a three-way adjustable suspension for the Hurricane STO and really test it. A lot of what we learned in that three-way suspension testing is what we decided to pack into the variable height spring product. This is available for a variety of vehicle applications and contains all of the knowledge we picked up through our three-way systems. Benefits of the variable height spring kits are ease of adjustability. They mount and operate just like coilover kits and are fully adjustable by rotating the collar here at the bottom. Made from high quality chrome silicone steel, they're designed for optimal performance as well as long-term durability. All of the aluminum components are machined from 6061 high-grade aluminum, and of course, everything is included to mount them on your car. Combine style, practicality, and performance. Install VF Engineering's variable height springs to unlock your vehicle's full potential and enjoy a truly exceptional experience.